Microsoft School Manager will notify users for various reasons. An admin user will get all the notifications, but all the other users will get specific notifications. Admin will get following notifications. User request. Lower quantity products. Non-available products. Expired products. Expired lesson plans. Borrowed books. The visitors which are not checkout. Delay of school fee. Booked rooms. And delay of hostel fee. Book sits. And delay of transport fee. All the information about debt items. Recipient will get all the notifications about delay of school fee. Teacher will get all the notifications about expired lesson plans. Hostel admin and hostel recipient will get all the notifications about booked rooms and delay of hostel fee. Transport admin and transport recipient will get all the notifications about book sits and delay of transport fee. Canteen admin and canteen recipient will get all the notifications about expired products, lower quantity products, non-available products, and all the information about debt items. Washman will get all the notifications about those visitors which are not checkout. Library admin and librarian will get all the notifications about borrowed books. To turn off notification, you need to follow 4 steps. Step 1. Click on Settings tab. Step 2. Click on Settings icon. Step 3. Uncheck the notification checkbox. Step 4. Click on Save button.